Unlock the secret to better health and beauty with castor oil, an ancient remedy used for centuries that doctors never tell you about. Stay tuned to learn how a few drops before bed can transform your skin, hair, and overall health. Here's how you can benefit using castor oil before you go to sleep. 1. Improve skin health. First, let's talk about skin health. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that deeply moisturizes and reduces inflammation. It's been scientifically proven to improve skin hydration, elasticity, and repair. Apply it before bed to wake up with healthier, more supple skin. A study published in 2022 highlighted that these fatty acids enhance moisture and repair the skin barrier. This simple, natural method can significantly boost your skincare routine. 2. Enhance hair growth. Want thicker, healthier hair? Castor oil promotes better circulation to the scalp, awakening dormant hair follicles. It's rich in omega-9 fatty acids, which nourish the scalp and strengthen hair roots, preventing breakage and loss. Consistency is key. Apply castor oil regularly and patiently to see the best results. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Science shows its effectiveness in locking in moisture and combating dryness, leading to shinier, softer hair. 3. Natural laxative. Struggling with constipation? Castor oil acts as a natural laxative. It contains compounds that stimulate bowel movements by enhancing smooth muscle contractions in the intestines. A 2016 study confirmed its effectiveness in promoting natural cleansing. Take it before bed, allowing it to work through the night. This gentle method provides a natural solution to constipation. 4. Improve sleep. Do you have trouble sleeping? Castor oil's soothing properties can help. Massage it onto your skin or scalp before bed to promote a relaxed state and better sleep quality. It's an ancient wisdom backed by modern research, a simple way to enhance your sleep naturally. Is this video helpful so far? Hit the subscribe button now and get all of our new health tips updated daily. 5. Antimicrobial effects. Castor oil is also a potent antimicrobial agent. It contains compounds like undesolenic acid, which has antifungal properties. A 2020 study highlights its effectiveness against candida infections. Apply it before bed to protect your skin from infections and provide a protective barrier while you sleep. 6. Boosts immune function. Enhance your immune function with castor oil. It boosts lymphocyte production, strengthening your body's defense against pathogens and toxins. Research in 2023 showed a significant increase in lymphocyte efficiency with regular application. By integrating castor oil into your nightly routine, you're not just aiming for superficial benefits, but actively fortifying your body's defense system. 7. Reduces acne. Battling acne? Castor oil's unique composition reduces inflammation and bacterial growth. It's packed with linoleic acid, oleic acid, and vitamin E, each playing a role in skincare. Apply it before bed for a calmer, clearer complexion. Studies show its promise as a natural treatment in acne management. 8. Heals wounds. For wound healing, castor oil is highly effective. Its antifungal properties and ability to hydrate the skin create a moist environment, promoting faster healing and reducing scarring. It's a natural remedy for minor cuts and abrasions, aiding the body's healing process gently and effectively. 9. Moisturizes dry lips. If you suffer from dry lips, castor oil is your solution. Its super hydrating properties draw moisture to the skin, keeping your lips soft and supple. Rich in vitamin E, it also repairs and protects the delicate skin on your lips. Apply it before bed for deep, lasting hydration. 10. Reducing joint pain. For joint pain relief, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties are highly beneficial. Ricinoleic acid fights inflammation and reduces pain in joints. Rub it onto your joints before bed and let it work overnight to reduce inflammation and pain. 11. Stimulating lymphatic drainage. Castor oil aids in lymphatic drainage, helping your body detoxify. It contains unique compounds that support your lymphatic system, enhancing the body's natural detox process. Incorporate it into your nightly routine to support your body's detox pathways. 12. Preventing stretch marks. Lastly, castor oil can prevent stretch marks by improving skin elasticity and hydration. Its unique composition nourishes the skin, reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Apply it to areas prone to stretch marks before bed, allowing these potent compounds to work overnight. Castor oil is a legacy of wellness, offering numerous health benefits. Now you know. If you found this information helpful, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more insights into natural remedies.